Hi guys, and welcome to the part 4 of Getting Started tutorial series with PySpark Python with Saumil Shah. In this video, I would be explaining you about the filter commands. So far a recap of what we have learned so far. We learned a lot in PySpark. We basically learned the installation of PySpark. We learned how to create a data frame. What are the different methods of creating data frame? After that, we looked at the basic commands such as take, print schema, dtypes, explain, select, how to select multiple columns, and so on. And we also learned about schemas, how schemas work. Now, this tutorial, I'll teach you about filtering. So let's say you have this data frame and you want to select the column Paris, right? So you want to filter out the entire data frame where the column is Paris. One way to do this is df.filter, and then you would say df.city. That means in that data frame, go to the column city where the value is equal to Paris, and .show means show me the data frame. So first the inner operation takes place, this operation, and then the filter operation takes place, and then it shows the data frame. Here you can see. Now, a question to you guys. Guys, how can I write multiple filter commands? Okay, for example, I want to say where the city is Paris and the type is food. One way to do it is using this. You would use filter command. You would say type as food. Once this operation is done, you can run one more filter command on the top of that and say city as Paris. This is completely valid and it works fine. So here you can see. Or other way is basically to include everything in the same filter command. For example, you would say df.filter. In the round bracket, say df.city is equal to Paris and df.type is equal to food. Both works correct. So this is the way you would use filter commands in PySpark. Hope you have enjoyed this small tutorial. If you have any more questions, post your questions in the comments and I would be very happy to assist you. Once again, thank you for watching. This is part 4. In the next tutorial series, we would be seeing the sort functions and a lot more. So once again, thank you for watching. See you in tutorial number 5.